No workbench is complete without at least one rotary tool. These amazing devices are capable of drilling, sanding, cutting, glassworking, grinding, carving, and even cleaning. With the right attachments, they can sand woodworking projects and then just as easily polish cutlery. What's up guys, today you'll take a look at the best rotary tools you can buy right now. We'll try to help you find the right one for your needs. To see the most up-to-date prices, you can check out the links in the description below. If you are new here, do subscribe and press the bell icon for the latest video. Without wasting any time, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Dremel Variable Speed Rotary Tool Kit. Working with wood can be difficult and it takes more than raw power for a successful project. The Dremel 3000-228 Variable Speed Rotary Tool Kit drops the power to 1.2 amps but keeps the versatility to reach 35,000 RPM, more than enough for carving wood. The smaller motor makes the rotary tool easier to handle for careful, precise cuts, but still affords the user enough power to easily move through the wood. When we took the Dremel 3000 in hand, the first thing we noticed was its excellent grip shape. It contoured to our hands nicely, and the rubber grip made holding onto it easy. We also liked that it came with plenty of accessories, including accessories for cutting and carving wood. Also, the collar fits over the collet to act as a wrench, meaning bit changes are toolless. The only area we could see needing some improvements is that it's slightly underpowered for heavier duty work. Number 4. DEWALT Rotary Saw. Accurately and easily cutting through material is the only task DEWALT focused on when designing the DW660 rotary saw. The 5-amp motor offers more power than most rotary tools need, but it is perfect for cutting through thick drywall, tiles, or even up to 1.5 inches of birchwood. It offers 30,000 RPMs as well as toolless blade changes. We like that this DEWALT rotary saw is so powerful and heavy-duty, as it truly can handle a variety of materials. We also liked the toolless blade changes, though the mechanism did jam on us once. We really liked the adjustable depth of cut as it's less likely to snag insulation or a wire behind drywall. Our only complaints are that it didn't come with any bits, and this tool is really limited to cutting, sanding, grinding, and carving aren't really an option. Number 3. WEN 2305 Rotary Tool Kit. We're big fans of the affordable WEN tool brand, but when we tested its 2305 Rotary Tool Kit, it failed miserably. The tool itself wasn't terrible, though it was slightly underpowered compared with the Dremels and the Milwaukee option. It comes with a lot of accessories, but the real issue is that it was downright dangerous. The 2305 kit doesn't come with a guard for the cutoff wheel, and the wheels WEN supplies with the kit are very brittle and low quality. 2 wheels broke during cutting, sending chunks flying everywhere. Thankfully, we were wearing safety glasses. As a result of this, we would not recommend the 2305 kit. Number 2. GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit. Whether it's for crafting, metalworking, or woodworking projects, this rotary tool kit offers an affordable way to get to work. More than 100 attachments and accessories come with this handy tool so users can tackle stone, glass, or metal engraving, cutting, wood carving, model making, metalworking, and more. It features a 1.3 amp motor that generates speeds between 8,000 and 30,000 RPMs. GOXAWEE's rotary toolkit was a big surprise in our test. It came with all of the accessories most DIYers will ever need, including cut-off wheels, grinding stones, sanding discs, and polishing wheels. It also came with a guard collar for safety as well as replacement brushes for maintenance. It ran smoothly and had enough power for most tasks, but it was noticeably underpowered compared with some other models when it came to cutting the steel. Number 1. Dremel High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. When it comes to choosing a top-tier, high-quality rotary tool, the Dremel 4300 is certainly near the top of the list. This powerful corded rotary tool features a 1.8 amp motor with a speed range between 5,000 and 35,000 RPMs. It comes with a detachable work light, a universal chuck, and several accessories including grinding and sanding wheels, cut-off wheels, carving bits, and more. All of these items are stored in the hard case to keep them safe and organized. During testing, the Dremel 4300 proved to be incredibly powerful. Even when cutting through thick steel, it barely slowed down, meaning it was able to cut through faster than any other model. We really liked the detachable work light on the collar, and removing it and swapping it for other collars was a breeze. It's also worth noting that this kit came with the best accessories, including Dremel's Easy Lock, cut-off wheels, which don't require a tool for swapping the discs on and off. Our only complaint was that over 20,000 RPMs, there was a noticeable vibration regardless of the accessory in the chuck. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like on this video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel.